Stomach ulcers can be painful and disruptive, but you can take steps to help heal them naturally. In this video, we'll explore the top 13 foods that can aid in the healing process of stomach ulcers. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper guidance and treatment. These foods can be part of a holistic approach to promoting stomach ulcer healing. Let's start this video. Number 1. Bananas for stomach ulcer healing. Bananas are a widely accessible and beneficial food for those with stomach ulcers. They are gentle on the stomach and provide several benefits for ulcer healing. Bananas contain compounds like protease inhibitors, which help protect the stomach lining. These inhibitors can reduce the activity of certain enzymes that contribute to ulcer formation. Additionally, bananas are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps reduce the level of stomach acid, making them an excellent choice for ulcer patients. Number 2. Apples. Apples are known as nature's antacid due to their ability to reduce acidity and soothe the stomach. They are rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and can alleviate some of the discomfort associated with stomach ulcers. Apples also contain antioxidants that help in reducing inflammation and protecting the stomach lining. Eating apples or drinking fresh apple juice can be a delicious and effective way to support your stomach's healing process. Number 3. Papayas. Enzyme-rich digestive aid. Papayas are a tropical fruit known for their delicious taste and powerful healing properties. They are particularly beneficial for individuals with stomach ulcers due to the presence of an enzyme called papain. Papain aids in digestion and can reduce inflammation in the stomach lining. This enzyme helps break down proteins, making it easier for your digestive system to process food. Including papayas in your diet can contribute to a faster recovery from stomach ulcers. Number 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a soothing and nutrient-packed food that can be extremely beneficial for individuals dealing with stomach ulcers. It is a rich source of dietary fiber, which helps regulate digestion and reduce stomach acidity. Oatmeal is gentle on the stomach and provides a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce the discomfort often associated with ulcers. As a wholesome breakfast option or a healthy snack, oatmeal supports your body's natural healing process. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa are excellent choices for individuals with stomach ulcers. These foods are not only nutritious but also stomach-friendly. Whole grains are a good source of complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce acidity in the stomach. They provide sustained energy and support digestive health, making them a valuable addition to your ulcer healing diet. Number 6. Skinless poultry. Skinless poultry, such as chicken and turkey, is a great source of lean protein, making it an ideal choice for those with stomach ulcers. Lean proteins are easier on the stomach compared to fatty or heavily seasoned meats. They provide the necessary building blocks for tissue repair and promote the healing of stomach ulcers. The absence of skin reduces the fat content, which can be beneficial as excessive fat intake can exacerbate ulcer symptoms. Number 7. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel offer a double benefit for stomach ulcer healing. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation plays a significant role in ulcer formation, and omega-3s can help reduce it. Additionally, fish is a good source of high-quality protein, which is essential for the repair of damaged tissues. Incorporating these fish into your diet can aid in the natural healing process of stomach ulcers. Number 8. Yogurt. Yogurt is a probiotic powerhouse that can contribute to a healthy gut and support the healing of stomach ulcers. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that promote a balanced gut flora. A balanced gut is less prone to inflammation and irritation, which are key factors in ulcer development. Yogurt contains live probiotics that can help restore the natural balance of your gut, making it an excellent choice for individuals with stomach ulcers. Number 9. Kefir, fermented probiotic-rich drink. Kefir is a fermented milk drink similar to yogurt, but with an even higher probiotic content. The live probiotics in kefir help maintain a healthy gut environment and support the healing of stomach ulcers. The probiotics in kefir can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, reducing the risk of bacterial infections in the digestive tract. Including kefir in your diet can improve gut health and contribute to ulcer healing. Number 10. Ginger. Ginger is a well-known spice with powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable addition to the diet of individuals with stomach ulcers. It helps soothe the stomach and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, which can alleviate ulcer-related discomfort. Ginger can also promote healthy digestion and improve the absorption of nutrients, further aiding in the natural healing process. Number 11. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has notable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce irritation and inflammation in the stomach lining, making it a natural remedy for stomach ulcers. Adding turmeric to your diet, either by using it as a spice or in the form of turmeric supplements, can complement traditional ulcer treatment and expedite healing. Number 12. Honey. Honey is known for its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which make it a beneficial food for stomach ulcer healing. It can help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the digestive tract and reduce the risk of infection. Additionally, honey can soothe the stomach lining and alleviate discomfort associated with ulcers. Consumed in moderation, honey can be a valuable addition to your diet as you work towards healing your stomach ulcers. Number 13. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a well-known plant with soothing and healing properties. It is often used topically for skin conditions, but it can also benefit the digestive system. Aloe vera's gel can help soothe the stomach lining and reduce inflammation. It is particularly effective in reducing the irritation and discomfort associated with stomach ulcers. While aloe vera can be consumed in small amounts, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your diet. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a holistic approach to supporting the natural healing of stomach ulcers. However, it's crucial to remember that diet alone is not a substitute for professional medical advice and treatment. Consult with a healthcare provider to develop a comprehensive plan for managing and healing your stomach ulcers. When combined with proper medical care, these foods can play a significant role in your journey towards a healthier, ulcer-free stomach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more informative content. We love hearing from you, so please leave your comments, questions, or suggestions below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you know someone who might benefit from this, please share the video with them. And remember, your support keeps us going, so we appreciate every like, share, and subscription. Stay tuned for more great content, and we'll see you in the next video.